America Election News 2024. Trump attacks Fani Willis, Alina Habba explains. An attorney for Donald Trump, Alina Habba, has contended that the First Amendment should lead to the dismissal of the former president's election meddling lawsuit in Georgia. In an effort to reverse the 2020 presidential election outcome in Georgia, Trump is facing 10 accusations stemming from alleged legal violations. The ex-president has denied all allegations and has pled not guilty. On Thursday, attorneys for Trump asked Judge Scott McAfee of the Fulton County Superior Court to throw out the case, citing the First Amendment's protection of fundamental value political conversation as their rationale. The spotlight has been shining on Trump's numerous civil and criminal lawsuits since he became the GOP's presumed nominee for president in 2024 earlier this month. Along with claims that he attempted to illegally impede Joe Biden's 2020 national victory, mismanaged sensitive data, and organized the payment of hush money to a pornographic actress, Trump is also facing criminal charges. Even though he has pled not guilty to every allegation, he maintains that they are all politically driven. The president's legal team has asked the Georgia court to dismiss the charges against him, and Habba discussed this with Fox News on Thursday. "What they battled about today was so straightforward," she added. An American president, like any other human being, has the right to free speech. A free and open press is one of the fundamental liberties guaranteed by the United States Constitution. He was correct, and he did it. As an executive, he is also within his rights to inquire about and guarantee the honesty of the voting process. Because our nation is in dire need of it at this very moment, we are approaching this matter with the seriousness befitting a case of constitutional infractions. The Asin account, which shares videos about American politics, posted a clip of Habba's comments on X, previously Twitter, and it became viral, with over 77,000 views. At 3:50 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, Newsweek reached out to the office of Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis via email. Willis is prosecuting the case. "We will make sure to update this post if they choose to comment." On Thursday, Trump's lawyer Steve Siddall made the case in court that his client's remarks casting doubt on the 2020 Georgia election result constituted core value political discourse that, factually speaking, fell under the First Amendment's protections. "Nothing expressed about President Trump based on facts is not political discourse," he stated. "Excise the speech that is political. There are no arrest warrants." In contrast, prosecutor Donald Wakeford stated, "What we have heard today is an attempt to rewrite the indictment, to take away sections that are inconvenient and say, well, it's all speech. Everyone is chatting. He was merely an ordinary citizen inquiring about something. He was not involved in a criminal plot to reverse the outcome of an election in which he had not run. Not that the prosecution is unhappy with the defendant's statements, so they've brought him before the court, is facing charges related to his false statements to the authorities." Regarding the Trump legal team's First Amendment-based dismissal motion, McAfee has not yet provided a ruling date, although McAfee accused Willis of a tremendous failure of judgment due to her friendship with Nathan Wade, the special prosecutor on the case. Earlier this month, he still allowed her to continue prosecuting the case. Willis was given the green light to continue handling the case by McAfee, so long as Wade was fired. The special prosecutor promptly resigned following this decision.